Every couple thinks they know what keeps love alive until they try this. 5 flushes, 5 little challenges, 1 big change in your relationship. What if I told you the spark you thought was gone can return tonight? Routine kills love. But here's how to break it, playfully. These 5 experiences aren't just tips, they're memory makers.
When love begins, life feels like a movie. Every text is a trailer, every date is a premiere. We notice the little things, laugh easily, promise the world. And then, almost without noticing, the story changes genres. At first, the where is invisible. Conversations get shorter. How was your day becomes a checklist item. The goodbye kiss loses 2 seconds. The hug lands but doesn't settle. Routine slips in quietly, pulls up a chair, and sits between the two of you. Then comes the cold, not the air conditioning kind, but the one that lives in silence. The joke that once united now irritates. Headphones go on, the screen becomes the third person in the relationship. The bed is the same size, but the distance grows in centimeters that hurt. 2 people, 1 home, and a separate loneliness for each. How far can this go? To a kind of abandonment that doesn't slam doors, it just dries out. You look over and realize you still know the schedules and the passwords, but you've forgotten the eyes. You remember the calendar, but not the scent. You coexist, but you don't connect. Love rarely ends with drama. It often fades with the lights still on. Why does it cool? Because what was rare becomes guaranteed. What was choice turns into autopilot. Desire needs novelty. Affection needs intention. Respect needs daily practice. Without those, the relationship stays standing, but without circulation. If you see yourself here, breathe. Stories don't end. They ask for editing.
You've probably never seen a love story quite like this, because love is everywhere, across cities, inside families, and even in our daily routines. And sometimes those same routines can slowly weaken the bond. That's why tonight we're diving into something powerful, simple experiences that can bring your relationship back to life. You've probably never seen a love story quite like this, because love is everywhere, across cities, inside families, and even in our daily routines. And sometimes those same routines can slowly weaken the bond. That's why tonight we're diving into something powerful, simple experiences that can bring your relationship back to life. That's brilliant. Pretend you've just met and the spark comes back instantly.
5 experiences every couple should have at least once. First, go on a date as if you were strangers. You get ready, meet up somewhere new as if you were seeing each other for the first time. Seductive conversation, glances, chemistry, flirting. The rule is to pretend you don't know each other. And the result? Trust me. The night will end even better than the first time. Second, recreate your first date with a twist at the end. Same place.
Recreate the first date, but add a twist? That's pure romance. A simple note can reignite what felt lost.
Same clothes, same vibe, but at the end you each write a note to the other as if you were starting everything from scratch. A note with a promise. It might seem simple, but this can even heal what had faded away. Third, and this is something I always mention here, is to have a yes date where no one can say no to anything. Of course, within reason. You say yes to everything for 24 hours. Do you want a massage? You'll get it. A random outing? A naughty challenge? Yes. You can be sure that days like this really leave a mark on your story together. Fourth, a random outing with a love dice. Here's what you do.
A whole day of saying yes. How fun is that?
Write down 6 to 10 things on a piece of paper and number them. Spend the night in a hotel, have a themed dinner, take a bath together, something funny or something spicier.
Roll the dice and let destiny pick your adventure. Couples who play together, stay together.
Roll the dice and just accept your fate. After all, life is already serious enough, and couples who play together set things on fire together.
Secret wishes in a jar? That's exciting already, or? New surprises keep love alive. Secret wishes in a jar? That's exciting already, or new surprises keep love alive. Every couple thinks they know what keeps love alive until they try this. 5 little challenges, 1 big change in your relationship. What if I told you the spark you thought was gone can return tonight? Routine kills love. But here's how to break it playfully. These 5 experiences aren't just tips, they're memory makers.
If today's tips spoke to you, try one tonight and watch how your relationship transforms.
And remember, love grows when you choose it every single day.